Good morning, it's Lynn from Linny C Designs, and I'm coming back today to share a discovery that I've made. It's probably not anything new, but I have discovered that with this amazing shimmer paint you can make your own shimmer spray. Now I am going to show you using the Brights coloured cardstock, and it actually just extends the life of your cardstock. It gives you another dimension. Now I discovered this when I made my swaps for On Stage in April, and I don't know if that's showing you, but I wanted to make, I love a bit of glitter, me, and I wanted to make this shiny, but realised that if I used my Wink of Stella clear brush I would quickly run out, because I was making 50 of these things to swap with other demonstrators. And so I came across the idea of using the shimmer paint with some rubbing alcohol to make my own spray. So here goes. I'll show you what I do, and then I will show you some samples that I've made with this shimmer paint. So this comes in two colours. At the moment I'm using the frosted white, and I use it with one of my spritzers. Now these come in a pack of 2, and I've labelled mine because I've got the alcohol in one and I've got water in another. So to make the spray, we just take that apart, and then I've got this big bottle of rubbing alcohol. I got mine off Amazon. I'm sure you can get it in other suppliers. I've got a pipette from my time when I was making candles. And I'm going to squeeze a couple of things in there. I like making up a whole batch of this when I do it, so put in 3. I use this, I found this really useful because I use this to clean off any glue or ink that I get on my clear blocks, and I also use it to clear the flat side of my photopolymer stamps, and also the red rubber. It makes them sticky if they're not sticky, the older style of Stampin' Up ones. So this has a ball in here, so you just have to shake it up to mix up the paint a little, and hopefully I'm going to have a steady enough hand to do this on camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just putting 4 drops in because I'm making quite a lot in there. Screw the lid back on and shake it up, and you can see that it is mixing with the alcohol. Obviously the more paint you put in, the brighter the spray is, I guess, if that's a word. So you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, if I'm bringing that up to the camera all right, but anyway. So I've created my own little spray booth, I guess, just so that it just from a cardboard box, so that it protects my work surface, because it does get a bit messy. And I'm going to show you on a little bit of card here. So I'm about 20 centimeters away. Do one spray, and it doesn't matter, you can just keep adding. Sometimes you get the odd bit of alcohol, a larger drip, but I don't really mind. So it does curl the paper, but you can see straight away that actually it is absolutely gorgeous. Now I love this. So here we are back with, so you can see a comparison. That is the unaltered cardstock, and this is the shine. This is once it's been added with the shimmer paint, and I just think it is absolutely gorgeous. Now the shimmer paint, it's great value, so it comes in champagne mist, and this is the frosted white, and it's very versatile. You can use it, you can sponge it onto stamps, you can paint accents on cards, or you can stamp and heat emboss with it, and it's just absolutely brilliant. I love it, and really great value. So let me show you some cards that I've made with my shimmer paint. This is a card, you can't, it's very subtle, so I don't know that the camera will pick it up, but this is the soft sea foam, and it is just gorgeous. This card showcases the Bird Ballast Suite, and the background here is rich raspberry, and I'm not sure if that's picking up there, but I've used that on with the Subtles embossing folder, and I just think it's gorgeous. I tell you, I'm obsessed. So here are some of the cards that I've made with samples with my shimmer cardstock, the Brights. This is Poppy Parade, and this showcases the beautiful Daisy Lane, the new Daisy Lane stamp set and little medium punch. It's absolutely gorgeous. We've got Melon Mambo, and this is again another new punch from the Floral Essence suite, and that is the punch I've used to create those flowers, and this is with coloured vellum. It's absolutely stunning. Flirty Flamingo, and I cut up the Daffodil Delight, so I used the one bit here and I've embossed that with the basket weave embossing folder. This is with the Falling Leaves, I think it's, or Leaves embossing folder. I'll put links to everything on my blog so that you can check everything out, but that's really pretty. The sentiment there is from Beautiful Bouquet. This is another embossed one. This is Bermuda Bay, and this is the Country Floral embossing folder. It is so lovely, and I've used some craft ink to highlight, but with a sponge to highlight some of the flowers, and it's just stunning, even if I say so myself. Here's another one with the tufted embossing folder, and these dies, various dies. I just wanted to make some examples. This is the rest of the Daffodil Delight shimmer, so that even that's got a lovely sparkle. And then this may be my favourite, but I'm a purple girl. This is Gorgeous Grape, and it is just absolutely lovely. So I've still got to create a card with Coastal Cabana, but I will pop that one over on my blog. So thank you so much for watching. I know I've been away for a while, but hopefully now I will be back on a weekly basis again. Subscribe, leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you think, and I will see you again soon, or a thumbs up. Bye bye for now.